Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Today we'll have a quick review on trigonometry. Some students still have confusion for this topic. Very simple topic it is. We'll finish in very less time. Though I have made big videos on this, you can refer them. I made all chapters for semester 2 and I made one special video for preparation, how to just prepare for semester 2 chapter wise tips. Let us begin with this topic, trigonometry. In trigonometry, you have to remember as there are 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Every ratio can be converted into sine and cos. You have to remember this mantra. Every ratio other than sine and cos can be converted into sine and cos. Like cosec is 1 upon sine, sec is 1 upon cos, tan is sine upon cos, and cot is cos upon sine. If you remember these 4 things, you can score very well 1 mark for just changing the ratio. So if you find any other ratio other than sine and cos, you can change them. Moreover, there is square relation. Sine and cos is having one complementary relation which is not in your portion for 10th grade, like sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. But there is square relation between sine and cos. Sine and cos we cannot change. We can change when it is in square form. So sine and cos is having positive relation. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. There are 2 more ways to write, like sine square is 1 minus cos square is 1 minus sine square. And there is negative relation between cosec and cot. Cosec square minus cot square is 1. So we can write cosec is 1 plus cot square theta. Same way, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. And we can write sec square is 1 plus tan square. So I call here these cosec and sec are big brothers because we consider them big. So we subtract smaller from bigger. Now you have to solve trigonometry like algebra. Okay, so don't be confused for it. Trigonometry can be solved like algebra, like x and y variables. We are confused because there are unknown names for a sine, cos, tan and cot. Take them like algebraic expression or algebraic equation. Equation I cannot call because this is left hand side is separate, right hand side is separate. You have to solve it like a simple expression. So here, like algebra, take common. Sometimes when we take common, we can solve inside. It becomes like your identity. There are 3 identities: sine square plus cos square, and you can factorize, you can expand them. So we use like algebra. Then take LCM or LCM with cross multiplication. So you can take LCM and you can do cross multiplication. Then also you get idea of identities or changing the ratio. Then don't solve LHS and RHS simultaneously. Some students, what they do, they solve left hand side and right hand side together. It means you have assumed that they are equal. Though they are proving sums. Proving sums means you cannot assume they are equal, so not allowed. Taking them together is not allowed. Moreover, don't dare to shift any terms from either sides. You cannot shift anything for your convenience. So you will be marked 0 for that. If you take anything from left to right or right to left. Right regions, it's considered as method. So I have written here for you MM, M1, M1, A1. It means for writing region, if it is method mark, then your answer mark will also become 0 and you will get 1 out of 3. I'm explaining once again. Your B1 is independent mark. If your writing region is independent, then it will not affect your answer. There may be independent mark for method as well as region, then it will not affect your answer. But if it is writing region is method mark, and you are marked 0 for that, your answer also becomes automatically 0. So be careful for writing regions. I am solving one sum for you just to give you confidence. I have solved many sums in my previous videos. You can refer them for more sums. See here, tan A minus cot A. So as I told you, like tan A can be converted. So I am taking left hand side, and you can very well tan A you can write sine A upon cos A, and cot you can write cos upon sine. So you can write cos A upon sine A. As I mentioned in my instructions, you can take LCM and do cross multiplication. So here I can take sine A cos A, very well LCM. So I can take sine A and cos A LCM. Whenever LCM is product of denominator, we do cross multiplication. So it will become sine square A. It's very interesting. Minus cos square A. Now in my denominator I don't have sine square A. So sine square A is unwanted for me. So what I'll do, I'll change sine square in cos. So from here sine square is 1 minus cos square. So what I'll do, sin square I'll write 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a upon sin a cos a. If you see, sin a cos a is already the required thing because I need sin a cos a down, so I'll not touch it. Now I can add it. Cos square a both are negative, so I can write 1 minus 2 cos square a upon sin a cos a, which is my RHS. I am just writing ahead, you write one below other. Hence proved. You can write hence proved because we have proved. As I mentioned, you may be marked, you may get 1 mark here. So what you do, wherever you are changing, please write tan A is sin A upon cos A, because I only guided you just now. If you write 1 is enough, don't write for cot. And here where you are applying the property, like here you have written sin square is 1 minus cos square. So here you write since sin square theta or A is 1 minus cos square theta. So anyone, or you write both. So you get method mark here. So marking will be like, you will get 1 for changing only method mark, and 1 for this taking LCM and all, and 1 you will get for answer mark, like that. So 3 mark question, because we don't have any more 4 mark question. So believe me, in trigonometry you can very well score good marks by changing only ratio. 1 mark, it may come in 2 marks, it may come in 3 marks also. So there is chance of getting 6 marks from trigonometry. It's very scoring. For more reference, you can refer my previous videos. I have made videos for your semester to all the chapters. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your contacts for a social cause, because these are free videos. Thank you very much. May God bless you.